Hello my friend, let's start to make a Gmail account in 2020. So at first time in Google search engine write the Gmail, then it will come on the screen. Then you have to create a Gmail account for myself. You have to click on the myself, then start to enter the first name. I'm writing ICT, then last name I'm writing dictionary. It's my username. It's up to you what kind of username you will use. So this is my username. I'm trying to get it. I hope that I will get, but sometime you have to choose a different way. I think, mm, yeah. After that password, you have to give the password. Then confirm password. I'm going to confirm my password. Then trying to press on the next button, but my username is not available at this moment, so I have to choose in another name which can be affected. I hope that, let's see. I'm trying ICT underscore dictionary at gmail.com. I think it's not also available. There's a lot of available option also in the Velo. I will try my best if I'll get. No, it's not coming as well. mm, so I'm trying to another one. I think you have to also do it, try yourselves that which one will be helpful for you to create another email account. No, it's not happening. Let's see. So I'm going to choose another one that is by default in available in the below. So yeah, ICT dictionary 007. I think it should be the available. Yeah, it's available. Now you have to verify your phone number. So I'm in Bangladesh at this moment, so I have to input my country name, Bangladesh. So if where are you staying, it depends on you. So by default, my Bangladesh, and my I have to give my phone number as well. So I already importing, and then next, then it's there is a some verification code will come on my mobile. So it's already came. I'm going to input in the verification code. So my verification code is here, and now I'm going to verify it. Okay, my phone number already verified. Then recovery email address you can input, is up to you. If you have the previous in email address, then um, date of birth, whatever you have date of birth, you have to input it properly, because in the next time you need it. And so you have to choose the gender as well. My one is male, so up to you. Then next, and get from your number, yes, I am in. You have to click on the I am in. Then agree all of the terms and condition of Google has given, so you have to agree it. I agreed already, and click on the I agree button. mm, then it's ready. I think, I hope that this account is ready for the YouTube account and other stuffs. That means the Google account already created for me. I hope that your account is going to create by this way. So it's so much easy way to create a Gmail account. Thank you very much. Welcome email by Google, simple and smart. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channels, and of course click on the bell icon. Then you can every day you can get some stuffs. Take care, my friends.